Yes, friends, I'm now coming live to share with you some three wonderful books that you all, as CA students, should read, which will help you a lot in your personal development. In that, the first book that I would recommend is Ticking Times by Pattabhiram sir. Friends, Pattabhiram sir is also my guru. I learned financial management and SFM, which is now called as AFM, from him. And this is one of the best books that I have read, friends. Tomorrow, as a chartered accountant, if you want to enter into practice, or what are the struggles that a chartered accountant in practice actually faces, this book has explained that entire thing beautifully. The ego issues, how many chartered accountants enter into the council elections, what and all happens there. It's a beautiful book, and you all will definitely correlate with this book, friends. So a must read, especially for those of you who want to enter into practice. The second wonderful book that I really enjoyed reading was by Rujita Divekar, and the book is called as Don't Lose Out, Workout. Rujita Divekar is a fitness trainer, and she personally trained Kareena Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, and many other film celebrities. This book tells you the importance of exercise. As CA students, we are all forced to live a sedentary life where we sit in the office from morning till evening. Again, we get back home and we just sit and attend classes and then we sleep. So it really creates a lot of stress inside us. This book tells you why you should exercise, and then this book tells you the three main forms of exercise. One is strength training, the importance of that, cardio, and stretching. So once you read this book, you will get to know the real mathematics of how exercise should be done, so that in less time you can get the best results. And it's one of the best books I have read. Very, very interesting. Must read. The third book is about atomic habits. Now that's also something that all our CA students should read, because many of us believe in the last minute preparation. This book says you should have some habits present in your life. That is the only way you can have a long term success without any pressure. If you sit and study the last minute in a lot of rush, you are doing a result oriented activity, so that may help you to clear the exam sometimes, but long run you keep on doing the same thing and it affects you. This book tells you create some keystone habits, follow those habits consistently. Results will come as a byproduct when you are not even thinking about those results. So these are the three wonderful books that I recommend for all of you, friends. Taking time, Don't Lose Out, Workout, and Atomic Habits. Read these books and enjoy reading. Thank you so much.